So I've got my flame sensor igniting rod here. Now, one thing to note about these, they are a 2-pack, but these are good for Trane and American Standard. So what you want to make sure is just go ahead and look at the listing because there are quite a few model numbers, but just in general, on the Trane, it does fit the XR80, the XR90. It also fits the XB and XE80 and then American Standard. I mean, there's quite a few model numbers. But what I like about these, we've got a 2-pack here. These are pretty simple to replace. There's only really two things you have to do with these. We've got a mounting hole here where it mounts to the furnace, and then we're going to go ahead and connect our wire here, our hot wire, and that's about it. So what happens if you think you might need these, maybe your heater doesn't work, or it works for just for a few minutes, it could be these igniting rods. I mean, they just wear out just like anything else does after a while. This insulation right here, this porcelain, it could be broken. And so that way when the power's coming through here, it's not going to go ahead and ignite for the flame to go ahead and come on. But go ahead and make sure you check these out in your furnace just to make sure they're okay. But always have a couple pair just ready to go. Hope you found this helpful.